Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming powerful flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, is positioned as the top-of-the-line model of the Galaxy S series in 2026. According to the latest preliminary news data, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra impresses in a new test result, with new impressive upgrades, ahead of global release. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be available for pre-order by the end of February 25th, after Samsung concludes its latest Galaxy Unpacked event. The flagship smartphone market could change significantly in 2026. Rumors surrounding the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra are gaining momentum, with new information shedding light on its impressive performance. Meanwhile, Samsung's latest flagship is already demonstrating strong performance in the latest leaked benchmark results, thanks to its overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Samsung is just days away from replacing the Galaxy S25 Ultra globally. Recent leaks suggest that Samsung's new privacy display will be one of the major improvements on the Galaxy S26 Ultra compared to last year's model. Conversely, Samsung's new Ultra flagship isn't expected to offer significant camera improvements. However, the upgrade to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset for the Galaxy should bring noticeable improvements in performance and efficiency. The 4 Galaxy variant will feature faster prime cores than other Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 variants, capable of overclocking up to 4.74 GHz, up to 3%. As a result, the new Galaxy S26 Ultra already delivers benchmark results that outperform many Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powered smartphones we've tested so far. For example, the Galaxy S26 Ultra regularly scores approximately 7% higher in the Geekbench 6.5 multi-core benchmark than the OnePlus 15 smartphone. Single-core performance is on par with the Honor Magic 8 Pro, Xiaomi 17 Ultra, and even the gaming-focused Red Magic 11 Pro, as is GPU performance in the OpenCL benchmark. Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S26 Ultra on February 25th, along with the cheaper Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus. Recent leaks indicate that the Galaxy Buds 4 and Galaxy Buds 4 Pro will also be present. A retailer accidentally published a press photo of the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 and 4 Pro. New materials confirm earlier leaks, while also offering a closer look at the new devices from a wider range of angles. The case features a physical button, purportedly designed to locate a lost smartphone. Pressing it causes the smartphone to emit sounds. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.